Ich helfe dich. If you've ever said that sentence, you're in very good company, and it's wrong. It should be ich helfe dir. One letter. And that one letter is most of what separates a sentence that sounds like a textbook exercise from one that sounds like a person. In the next few minutes you'll stop guessing between mich and mir, because you'll stop asking which case is this, and start asking one much simpler question. And stay to the end. There are 6 everyday verbs that break the pattern you're about to learn, and once you know them, they can never catch you again. Here's the idea everything rests on. In a German sentence, a person can have 2 completely different jobs. Job 1. The thing the verb happens to, the target. That's the Akkusativ. Job 2. The person the action lands with, the receiver, the one who ends up holding something or benefiting. That's the Dative. English hides this from you. We say me for both. He sees me. He gives me the book. Same word, 2 totally different jobs. German refuses to hide it. The target is mich, the receiver is mir. So it isn't really a grammar problem. It's a question about what the person in your sentence is actually doing. Start with mich. Use it when the verb happens directly to that person. They're on the receiving end of the action itself. Sieht mich, he sees me. What does he see? Me. Sie fragt mich, she asks me. Who does she ask? Me. Ich liebe dich, I love you. Who do I love? You. Notice the question that works every time. Verb, then whom? If the answer is that person, and there's nothing else in the sentence being handed over, you want the Akkusativ. Mich, dich, ihn, sie, uns. Now mir. Use it when something is being given, sent, said, shown, or brought to that person. They're not the thing being acted on, they're where it arrives. Gibt mir das Buch, he gives me the book. Look closely. 2 people-shaped jobs in one sentence. The book is the thing being given, that's the target, and I am the one it arrives with, so I'm mir. Sie schickt mir eine Nachricht, she sends me a message. Kannst du mir helfen? Can you help me? The rule of thumb. If you could put the word to in front of it in English, give to me, send to me. German wants mir, dir, ihm, ihr, uns. So here's the whole video in one question. Look at your verb and ask, is this person the thing being acted on, or the person it lands with? Acted on, mich. Lands with, mir. Try it. Der Film gefällt. Mir or mich? The film isn't doing anything to me, it's landing well with me. Mir. Ich sehe. You're looking directly at the person. Dich. One more, and this one has both. Ich schenke dir ein Buch. I'm giving you a book. The book is the thing being handed over. You are where it lands. Dir. Ask the question, don't translate. Translating is what makes you guess. Now the part 1 promised. Some verbs look exactly like they should take a target, but they always take Dativ anyway. There are 6 you'll meet constantly. Helfen, to help. Ich helfe dir, never dich. Danken, to thank. Ich danke dir. Gehören, to belong to. Das Buch gehört mir. Gefallen, to please. Das gefällt mir, literally, that pleases to me. Passen, to fit or suit. Die Jacke passt mir. And antworten, to answer. Antworte mir. There's no clever logic here, and anyone who tells you otherwise is selling something. These 6 are a list you learn, the way you learn the alphabet. Learn them once, and they stop being traps. Everything on one board. Mich, the direct target. The verb happens to them. Mir, the receiver. It lands with them, and you could usually say to me in English. The test. Acted on, or landed with. And the 6 that are always Dativ no matter what. Helfen, danken, gehören, gefallen, passen, antworten. Screenshot this one. But screenshots don't teach. You'll own this the 10th time you use it, not the first time you read it. So use it. That's genuinely the whole difference. We built a free set that drills exactly this. Mich against mir. The 6 dative verbs mixed in so they stop surprising you. And it remembers the ones you get wrong and brings them back until they stick. It's free, and the link's in the description. Go and get it wrong a few times where it doesn't cost you anything. Then ich helfe dir stops being a rule you remember and starts being the thing you just say.